me to my tampons?
I'm gonna cut you, bitch!
Take me to my tampons? Oh my god!
I'm gonna cut you, bitch! So real, how I feel. And it ain't a microphone. And I dare a motherfucker to come in my straight ill. But if I wanna stick around the streets,
Can you take me to my tampons? Oh my god!
I'm gonna cut you, bitch!
Now run to Chris.
Cisco! Cisco!
Because he farted.
Yeah, it's a fart dog. You haven't farted anymore? You go do it over there.
I said to have like 3 books.
Man,
Ah, you're different right now.
rats.
Let me.
Conquest of happiness.
Hey,
Looking at
the book
books.
that's
Did you wash your hands?
Taking sides.
You zip up your
The
zipper?
book
Understanding
that's called
emotion.
Intervention. Can you find it for me? Because I need to return it. Intervention.
I think I just dropped a bunch of books on my fingers.
Intervention.
Anger and misunderstood emotion?
No.
Race class in general in the United States?
No.
Sensation and perception?
No. Oh!
Falling stuff? Nice job, everybody. Take
Intervention.
this stuff.
No.
Wife hat thing.
No.
Conquest of happiness.
No.
Psychological intervention.
Intervention. I need that
Understanding emotions.
one. No.
Do we make stuff fall?
Let's make 2 stacks.
I need to return this book.
I think the bottom book is lopsided.
I can see it. There's nothing.
I don't know why it's tipped.
It just is. There's not like anything in there.
Yeah, there has to be. I can't stand up like
Oh,
that.
okay.
It's a score thing.
There.
I'm a genius.
Stupid.
Okay, Clipper games. Anybody want to go?
What?
Clippers games.
Oh, yeah.
Yes? For
Count me in.
oh, really?
For what?
You don't have to. We'll have to go see.
It's like $40.
$40 for a decent ticket. There's other tickets, but then,
Clippers suck.
We could be skiing all day for $40.
and your point is, I'd be in the car all day. Before.
That's so much more fun.
Clippers.
Suck.
For you, maybe.
Payakowski.
Sucks.
I don't watch Lakers or the
Hold on.
Trailblazers.
Suck.
They're playing the trophy. Just
Dueling.
decided.
He's awesome.
I can't go to Saturday.
The Lakers, same seat as the Clippers. That's a $70 ticket for a $40 Clipper ticket.
Damn.
And Lakers suck too.
Yeah. What kind of pants are you wearing?
Black.
Jeans.
They're jeans?
Yeah.
You look kind of like bell bottoms.
They are bell
Big.
bottoms.
Wide leg or huge?
Yeah, but they're the same as all my other pants, except they're for some reason way bigger.
Or what? Anchor blue what?
Yeah, huge.
Beyond
This is
baggy,
all my
whatever it
others.
is.
Yeah. All of mine are the same, only the black ones are huge.
Maybe you got
Same size, everything.
beyond baggy.
Should have tried them on.
They look like bell bottoms.
They are bell bottoms.
That's so funny. Can you get him his toy? You threw it away. Behind you. It's there.
I'm not gonna keep spinning.
Hi.
Add some
Can I
entertaining
tape
television.
you?
No.
Because you're funnier.
Thank you.
He's making a drama.
Did somebody put away the pizza? Can't somebody put it away?
Where's the way? Okay, but what if I was about to eat some more?
Yeah.
Are you?
I said would it.
Then eat it right now. And if you're not,
I'm just letting stuff settle.
you put it in the fridge. Then it'll go bad and hung won't have any.
It's not gonna go bad.
I think it will.
If I insist on eating all of it.
Tony, focus on my sunflower. Zoom in. Can you smell it?
Yes, yes, smell vision.
Smell it.
Smell-o-vision. I should just go smell-vision.
No highlighter for you.
I'm not even reading anyway.
You should write monster in her forehead.
No. Come on, let's watch the Friends thing. Ow. Okay, no.
What?
Don't throw it. Or throw this at you.
You write a big C.
No!
You write a big C.
But you think you can get that cap on before I can draw on you? I could be drawing on you all this whole time.
Oh.
Okay, stop. How about I give you the cap?
Okay. No weapon now.
Just a little dog at me, man.
Oh.
So you played baseball, right?
Softball.
Softball, right? Good catch.
What's the point?
Come here, Cisco. I'm sorry. Come here, Vesuvius.
Vesuvius.
Hey, Vesuvius. How you doing, Vesuvius? Vesuvius, Vesuvius,
He's
Vesuvius.
not responding to the name, he's responding to you petting him.
Come here, Vesuvius. Come here. Come here, Vesuvius. Vesuvius, come here.
He would never come to that.
He already did earlier.
He's
It's just he's comfortable right now.
Cisco, stay here until I
Vesuvius.
get up.
boy behind you.
Nope. Cisco,
Come here, Vesuvius.
stay here, stay. Aww. Now you have to give him a piece.
Give him nothing.
Come here.
No cheese for the dog. You know that? Good boy, Vesuvius. Vesuvius.
Cisco, don't listen to them. Come here.
Oh, he's convinced he's Vesuvius now.
Cisco, come here. Look, I have some too.
Vesuvius. He's not falling for that crap, Marcia.
Cisco, come
Hey,
here.
Vesuvius. Did you like your food? I don't have any more. No food. He's looking for food.
I know.
He already had some.
Come here.
It's probably gonna kill him because it was Canadian.
Cisco. Do you want some?
Just checking for food. Nothing there. He's really happy checking for food.
Yeah, see? He loves me.
He's not even looking at you. Just figured that was closer to the food. Oh, and then you blocked him in. Just making the best of a bad situation.
Oh.
Okay.
Lights,
Is this your version of the roll?
No. Let's just take a conversation.
Conversation.
I'm gonna edit it. It's not gonna be like you're watching this.
Just record the funny stuff.
I'm on TV!
Come on, Chris.
Camera's not there. Ignore
The
it.
camera's not there, Chris.
Camera's right there.
That's
Not
right. So come
I
over
can see
here.
it.
Come over here, then you can't see
I
it.
don't fear the camera.
The
Come
camera fears
sit
you.
with me.
That's right.
Come sit with me.
Is that why you're never on?
Why would I want to sit with you?
Sit next to me.
Cisco's there, and your feet are there.
So's Anthony's.
On the blue chair, not on the couch.
Yeah, I'm not allowed on the couch. Dog is, but I'm not.
You're ugly.
You don't want chocolates at all.
I like picking them up.
Yucky.
You know what this one is?
Which one?
Yeah, chocolate and chocolate.
You know what this one is?
Chocolate.
I
They're
like
all
this one.
chocolate. That's chocolate.
Oh, the bumpy one.
Chocolate.
What
What the hell's wrong with this? How this one?
You didn't ask him what was in the chocolates when you.
Chocolate.
I don't think so. Give me that one. I'll try it.
No, that was good.
It's not good.
It's
None
not
of them are good.
toffee.
Original.
There's no topping in there.
I think it's the same one.
Hi.
It's just different.
How the white chocolate one?
My chocolate was like fruity.
You might like it. I didn't like it at all.
This thing real like sour fruit.
Like white stuff in it.
Sperm?
Yeah. What's that one? Coconut?
Mm-hmm.
Coconut is good.
I found it!
I'm not going near anything gooey, bitch.
Oh, is it really coconut?
Yeah, it's like coconut.
Yes, coconut.
Pineapple coconut.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
I said it was fruity. I didn't say it was hot fruit.
Have some water.
No.
Go wave again.
How's the refrigerator?
I know.
It's gonna hit the leg. No, there's
You guys have any Pepsis left?
your bottle of water is empty.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I'm thirsty.
There's some Pepsis on the
The
microwave.
hose outside.
Fine. Signing off.
Aw.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Like
The
6
turtle one
months.
is kind of
And yours is
juicy
right
now.
next to your lamp.
Oh, that's smart, Chris. Is that how Max died?
Oh, Max got
No,
eaten.
Max,
Oh, yeah.
Max was alive and well when I had him.
Sorry to put it with Mike's fishes and He got torn up.
Supposedly docile fish.
They don't like black goldfishes.
What
They're
kind of
racist.
fish did Andrea? Hey, took my water. What kind of fish did Andrea say she brought?
Garibaldi's.
Garibaldi's. Are they docile but they're really mean? They'll eat
I
fish.
don't know.
We
Do you know the Garibaldi's California state fish?
I sound familiar.
I did not know that.
No, that's a bald eagle.
I just know that
Is
it's
that
like
our
someone's
bird?
name from
Leopard.
Babylon 5.
Those.
Isn't it the
United
swallow?
States.
No, it's a quail, but we tried.
Quail is California.
You know what the puppies are?
Yeah,
are
gourami.
Kangaroo quail.
No, gourami is the fish that Andrea.
What did you say? Go.
Garibaldi's.
Oh.
He just says his name came up.
My neighbor has 3 rabbits.
We'll edit that.
Whoops. That's
Part
it.
2.
No. What are you reading? What time do you get to work tomorrow? 7:30? I have to work at 7.
I
So
know.
you come half an hour early?
So I'll have breakfast. Or maybe I'll just go and see if Kev wants me to start early. Cause,
He was there by himself this morning.
well, sometime was supposed to start at 6:30 too, but no.
What's
We
your name?
both started at
Sunshine?
Sunshine.
Go to sleep.
I told you your dad wasn't here
Shit,
too.
Yes.
What's it called? No, they both started. If you got off at 2, you started. 6:30 then. They both started at 6:30, so she was probably in the back, like bagging fruits or something, or getting drinks or whatever.
Shall I ship it out?
Tap,
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 top.
tap.
Oh, that was dangerous.
She opened it up a little bit just to let the gas out.
Are you Virginian?
West Virginia.
Stop
My
that.
bottle?
He just wanted to be dramatic.
No, actually, I grabbed the wrong bottle.
Edit buoy out.
Completely.
It's gonna be a big blur.
Cartoon character.
Yeah.
I have to pay.
For what? Wait, gotta bring the camera in.
Be right back.
No, where I already got the one to the internet set up in there.
He can.
I bet you can make money off of that too.
Oh, poor man. He would not like that.
What's your name, boy?
Toby.
Didn't ask you, Toby. I was asking Subius.
Cisco.
Gosh. Your name.
His name is
Vesuvius.
Your name is Vesuvius, boy.
You don't like that. Hold it. That's Jersey. Alright.
He ran.
Why are you guys scaring them for? Why did you take my seat?
It was empty.
Yeah.
The dog was saving it for me.
That tastes like feet.
I thought that
No,
was...
you sit here too. Sit here. Cisco, come here. Come here.
No room.
No, you
He's
didn't.
confused. There's no room.
Hi, baby.
Ew. You got dog slobber all over you.
It's okay, it's my dog.
You he's gonna forget if he's gonna kiss you.
Can I have some water?
Wash your face.
Did your play go play some background?
I don't know. I don't check on them a lot. You just put that in the water?
Yes, they do.
Wow. The turtles are humongo.
Well, we already noticed that.
Humongo.
And Stripey is humongo.
Gihugical.
Thank you. You and your nonsense words, Marsha.
West
Gigantic.
Virginia. West Virginia words.
No, I don't live in West Virginia.
Why do you
I
sound
never lived
like
in
you
West
did?
Virginia. What?
Why do you sound like you did?
Not West Virginia.
What's with your West Virginian accent?
No, I don't have one.
Play with the umbrella, boy. Break it.
Good.
Thanks, Chris.
Give it to me.
Good.
Give it
No.
to me.
No.
Guess who's gonna freak out?
No. Stay here, puppy. No, you're on my stomach.
He's running. Okay, Cisco. It won't hurt you. Oh, how sad.
Oh! Now I sort of feel
Alright,
bad.
no more.
Oh, get out, get out.
No more. I won't do it anymore.
Mother, hurt.
I can't believe you. You're like that. Cisco,
He's wagging, so she's cool.
come here.
He still sees it though.
He's a wagging.
That was gigantical. It freaked him out.
Can you lie down? No, over here. That's where I'm gonna be. Cisco! Move it over here!
You call him Vesuvius to cooperate.
Yeah.
There, are you fine now? No, honey, you're freaking out. He's gonna scratch me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Covering the camera.
What the?
Let's have a job.
Oh, come here! Honey, come here!
That's funny.
Here, Chris. Here's a sticker for you.
I don't want that sticker.
Marsha, you want this sticker?
What does it say?
It's a sticker of a chipmunk.
Okay.
A nice sticker of a chipmunk.
Oh, stickers? Ask me about my smell. You should put that on your butt.
Doesn't want to see his butt.
Honey, no! Now, can I look at the stickers?
Now it's R-rated.
Ask me about my smell.
Did you put the stop, please do not, how do you say that? Defecate
Desiccate?
in the
Probably
restrooms?
defecate. Did you not defecate in the restrooms? What are the restrooms for?
Peeing.
For Bowie's mother.
Please
Yeah,
do
but no
not
one has
sit
that kind
on
of
the
money.
body bags.
Dollar
What?
a pound.
Please place unused urine in labeled jars.
Please do not sit on the
The body bags.
Is Marsha drunk or something?
No?
Hun, ask me about my smell.
Don't get me out of the fridge.
Why?
Because.
God,
The
then.
chair's in the way.
Yeah. Do you want a porcupine
What are
with
you
two
gonna
big
do?
balls?
Nothing. They just
What?
You didn't make a movie.
Look at that porcupine. Oh, it's a chipmunk?
Yeah, that's what we said, chipmunk.
He's got really big balls.
Oh my goodness.
Come talk with us.
It's Alvin.
I am. She pizza good?
This
You want some more?
pizza
We
left.
left some for you.
We left it specifically for you.
She's fasting.
What's with the fasting?
Oh my God.
Because she's fat.
There we go again. I thought that was in.
I want to put this on the calendar.
The
This is funny
chipmunk?
stuff.
Let me see it.
No, not the chipmunk.
Let me see. My turn.
The
My
baboon
turn.
baby. No, how about the little gnome? He's kind of scary looking.
little gnome.
Where's the dog?
Doctor.
Doggy, come here. Doggy. Doggy, come here.
Do you know how those people walk around Disneyland asking me about the characters?
Yeah. What?
Protectors.
One that says, look here.
No, ask me about this one. Stop, please do that. This has more
4.
7, 8.
Cisco, come here. Cisco. Where is he?
Whoa. He's underneath your.
Come here. Cisco, come here.
Another one bites the
Come here.
dust.
Come
Another
here.
one.
Come here.
Nope.
Why is he hiding?
Umbrella.
You don't trust me.
Cisco, come
Just
here.
go down there. He's fine.
No, I want him up here. Come here.
Why are you forcing him to go through he doesn't want to?
Why is he hiding under the couch? Because you guys scared him.
It's your smell, Marcia.
You're doing a toy down there?
Nope. The big umbrella guy can't get him down there.
Come here, you're leaving tomorrow. Come on.
Why don't you just buy some Playboy, Blue? Man.
Because that's embarrassing.
What is that?
Playboy's not all that.
It's important.
You don't learn how to make booby traps in Playboy
You could
with
probably.
a snake on a string.
Or
That's
a
a great trap.
bullet in the ground.
Huh?
You, it's your camera.
I also like the 2 grenades
Come
tied together in
here.
the jars.
Come here. Tony, turn off the camera.
You gonna sleep already?
Yeah, we have to get up at like 5. Cisco.
Hell, my phone.
Oh, I went back to bed. Now
Going
I'm
hungry.
hungry.
Giving this to Chris.
You're not Chris. Oh, you'd like to be. Good plan. Get her on camera.
I want to read it.
Give it to Chris.
Any kind of string, that's booby trap ever. It can be used more than once. Most of those can't.
No, see, the grenade one used them to blow up the bodies, and they used the bodies as booby traps. The grenades underneath the bodies, they come to take their deads away, and
Dead or
boom.
And then you have more booby traps.
Just a nice big circle.
Ever growing mound. They're not figuring it out.
Well, that's really scary.
What? Snake on string?
13-year-old kids look like they're 5, and they have been like killing all these people.
They have been doing it.
Clown porn.
Says they're leading Burma's
Some
militant
clown porn.
Christian God's army. The heck?
Colt?
Yeah, I get another half hour of sleep today.
I get a half hour less.
We don't have to work here.
You won't do guys.
There's only a half an hour difference. Save gas. Plus we can end up being until we have the thing.
I have no idea what that meant.
You know, the thing about the
Purple?
thing with that one thing by that one place involving that one person.
Yeah, thanks for clearing that up.
Okay, which of these are sexual harassment?
All of it.
You decide. Nice boobs. I mean ass. I mean work. Is that sexual harassment?
No.
No.
Okay. Could you help me enlarge something in my pants?
I think guys are this.
Wait.
That's not sexual harassment at all.
Take a memo. And my manhood. Okay. Wow, look at the tatas on that snatcherette.
No.
Get a load of the bob buoys.
Buoy.
On that baloney bopper. I think that
help me
is.
enlarge something in my pants. That's a good one.
Say the rest of them.
They even spell baloney right.
High class magazine there.
No, seriously, they spelled it B-A-L-O-N-E-Y.
Bologna.
This is spelled
Bologna.
bologna.
Yes, but
Okay. Hi, gorgeous. That skirt makes me want to masturbate. Hey, I think I will.
No.
no.
Get over here, you little sex monkey.
It's not if there's actually a little sex monkey.
Your
This
new
is wrong.
haircut really shows off your ass.
Maybe she said it short.
They had hair that
Yeah.
was like down to their knees or something.
Or maybe you shaved your
Have that
ass.
hairy
Yeah.
ass.
That great project you did really shows off your ass.
Yeah.
That's all they have.
My turn, I was reading then.
I was giving it to Chris.
Hey, that's what's her face from the 70s show.
Mila Kunis.
Yeah.
It's Mila time.
She's like 16.
Yeah.
I said,
It's not like she's naked in there.
pick up a stripper.
Yeah, I was supposed to show you that too.
I read this actually. Did you follow any of this?
I haven't been to it since gone.
Since last night. And earlier this morning.
It don't open until 11.
It's early morning for me. Wait, you know when they open?
11 to 2. I believe.
So that's where you were from 11 to now. That didn't work too well.
Why would you
That,
go there like for lunch? You know, I mean,
They have a
don't people
buffet.
normally go there like only at nighttime?
Why?
No,
I don't
because
know.
during the morning they
But they put on clothes during the day?
I don't know.
during the morning they get away with or they do more stuff because there's less people there.
Really?
Like I was reading how during the day they'd have a 3-girl on stage, tie one of them up, and have the other 2 go down on them. Or her.
Really?
Where?
Ecstasy.
Wait, how could two go on one? But they take turns or something?
Whatever.
I'm just saying. I'm just telling you what I read.
Why'd you read it then?
One of the sites, like the
He's
ratings, was like,
been going to websites.
yeah, just to find out which ones are around here.
Yeah.
There.
Tell her she's got a terrific personality.
Yeah, because you tell them
Because she's fat?
you tell them they're gorgeous or beautiful, and they hear that all night.
Isn't that scary?
Yeah.
Monkey scary.
Yes.
Scary. She said, you have big breasts. Mama. She's not even that hot, really. Because Marsha's hot.
Yes.
I know. Hey. Saw that.
So what now?
Are you seeing things again, Marsha?
The fetish files.
Huh?
Are you seeing things again?
Dawn, what's the kinkiest
Oh.
thing you've ever done?
The kinkest?
Kinkiest.
Yes.
Janine, I used to go to S&M clubs and wear a rubber outfit, stiletto boots that laced all the way up, a dog collar, and a whip. I'd find guys who wanted to be dominated and make them call me Mistress Janine. They'd want to suck my toes and I'd charge them $20 a toe. But the problem is, I never wanted to go home with these guys. I wanted somebody who would take my shit. So I get sexed up at an S&M club and pick up someone normal at a bar. Wearing what she was wearing.
Yeah. Well,
Jamie, I'm a total voyeur and I love doing it in public. I had sex on a soccer field in college.
What the
Oh my
heck?
God, we even used to get dressed with the window shade open so the little old Chinese man who lived across the street from me could see. Even though I didn't want to get it on with the little old Chinese man, I loved the idea that someone might be watching.
Oh.
Yeah, I love playing dress up.
Now they can see your ass.
Pink ballet fake shoes on. Is this a point that if it has an E after it, or would it be pointy?
Oh, it's a point.
Ooh, I'm quite wide.
Remember, the camera adds 10 pounds.
Oh yeah, well I'm quite thin then. I'm quite thin. I'm quite thin in real life.
Dawn, this brings up a good point. How do you drop hints that you
No, I'm
like
just
to
kidding.
say have sex on a Zamboni?
Just strip before the
The
camera.
Zambonis, that ice thing
Yeah,
that smooths out
they-
the ice?
I didn't hear that besides sex on a Zamboni.
How do you tell somebody that you want to have sex on a Zamboni?
Okay, what's the weirdest thing a guy ever wanted to do? One boyfriend wanted to lick my armpits. He just wouldn't stop bugging me about it. It seemed gross, so I never let him do it. I felt like he was a dog. Jamie, I can't think of anything that would freak me out. I think that you have to do new things or else sex gets stale. But if a guy orders me to do something instead and suggests it, like you have to be little Bo Peep to tend my sheep, I'll think he's a jerk.
You want all of it?
I didn't follow that. I was really.
No.
I agree. One of my exes was into giving golden
Are you excited?
showers.
P.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nervous?
It wasn't so much that he wanted to do it, but the way he approached the subject. A few days after he brought it up and I said no, he just started peeing on me while I was putting on my makeup for
What
him.
time got to go?
What the? That's,
What do you need?
Bet that pissed me off.
Like
And I turned around and
6:15.
slugged him. I'm sorry, but you don't do that.
You're
You don't do that, period.
Can you call me later?
I can try when I come back from the parents' house.
Just call me like leave a message. Because I probably won't be on break or anything.
Well, I'll go over to my parents' house because she has a box that she wants to send over to my mom's so that her grandkids
Sneak
and
on a
her
shoot.
children and stuff. And so I'll probably be there maybe in the evening. And so you'll probably be out.
Yeah, I'll look for.
And so, I'll try to call you and say goodbye. And let you know that I won't miss you.
Okay.
I am so tired. I need some water.
Want some pizza?
No, I can't.
Oh.
Cause she's too fat.
Oh. Well, maybe I'll open the fridge and get some water.
No.
I'm not fat.
You big boned.
I just have big breasts. They're the size of my hand.
Let me see if they're the size of my hands.
Let me
You
see.
beat me to
You
that.
can measure with my hand.
Hi.
You're so... No, they're larger than the size of my hand.
Whatever.
But my hands are bigger than your hands.
I don't believe you.
Bastard, shut up.
But Marsha's hands are bigger than your hands.
No, Chris.
What are you doing?
Using that on meter. Clown porn. What the hell?
What a girl wants, what a girl needs. Whatever makes me happy. Watch. Baby's dancing. Baby, get in my belly.
My advice to you, I know you think these guys are your friends.
It was his baby dad's watch.
Be honest, unmerciful.
What are you guys doing?
Watch, ready?
High over Tupelo, Mississippi. This hottest band. All about to die.
Hi.
Pregnant porn?
Yes.
Pregnant porn is the best.
This all really
The
happened.
best ever. You want to see her dance again?
I just got off the phone with Rolling Stone.
And he's a dolphin dance too.
He's getting out.
Okay, go away.
Are you done, Cisco? You ready to go for a walk now?
No.
What? Want more? Cisco, let's go!
Come on.
Hey, get your head out of there!
Come on. Isn't that funny? Let's go.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Going for a walk?
Yeah, come with me.
No.
Come with me.
Okay, bye.